In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Zoom background. If your Zoom meeting has a virtual background turned on and you want to go back to your normal camera view, the process is very quick and easy. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening Zoom and making sure you're on the main screen or inside a meeting where your camera settings are available. Once you're there, look for the More option. This is where Zoom keeps extra controls and settings that aren't shown directly on the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on More to open that menu. After the menu appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can manage different parts of your Zoom experience, including your audio, video, and visual effects. If you're trying to remove a background, this is the section you need. Inside Settings, find and click on Videos and Effects. Depending on your Zoom version, the wording may look slightly different, but it should be the section related to your camera and appearance options. This is where Zoom lets you control filters, enhancements, and virtual backgrounds. Next, click on Virtual Background. When you open this section, you'll see the background options currently available for your camera. If a virtual background is active, it means Zoom is replacing your real surroundings with an image or scene. To remove that effect and show your actual background again, simply choose None. Once you click None, the virtual background will be turned off immediately. Your webcam will now display your real environment instead of any digital background image. This is helpful if you want a more natural look, if the virtual background is not displaying correctly, or if parts of your face or body are blending into the effect. If the change doesn't appear right away, give Zoom a moment to refresh, or check that your camera is turned on properly. It can also help to make